Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you're making your own homemade bread or if you buy it fresh from the bakery, then you really want to have a nice bread cutting system. This is from Happy Place and it is an awesome bread cutter that will enable you to be able to have the perfect slices every time. This bread cutter comes in a convenient bag that you can keep it in, as well as with a really good bread cutting knife. And how it works is that you set it up and then you can use it with different widths of bread. You can put it in a 3/4 inch slice or 3/8 inch slice of bread so that you can have the perfect evenly cut slices every time. The materials on this are made out of a bamboo for the platform, and the rest of it is made of a really nice hardcore plastic that is very easy to clean. The bread cutter holds in place really well as you cut each slice very carefully. And what I really like is that it has that adjustable width so that you can cut different types of bread in the bread cutter. When I'm done using it, I clean it very easily and then put it back into the bag and store it into my cabinet for the next time. So if you want to look like a professional baker and have really nice sliced bread for all of your yummy sandwiches and for your toast, then you really want to have a nice system that will get you set up. This one is made out of durable materials, it's easy to clean, and it stores so easily. But that's my point of view.